Welcome back, friends. Today I have a small Walmart grocery haul pickup that I did, and just some small, just a small haul, nothing major, just some things, needed to get for filling in the week a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I picked up. So today I have some Black Forest ham. I just have one of these, and then 2 of the roast beef. They tend not to have, it's always a 7 ounce, so I always get 2 because one doesn't go too far for 2 people. So I always try to get, 2 of those if they don't have a large one. Now they always have usually the honey roasted turkey breast in the 1 pound family size, which is what I like. So I have those for sandwiches. And some pork egg rolls. This is the Taipei. I usually like the Pagoda egg rolls, but they didn't have the pork one, so I went ahead and got this one. I think we've had this one before, and I think it was okay. And then Sara Lee Delightful. This is the 45 multigrain bread. I always get that one. Some hamburger buns. So our favorite bunny hamburger buns. And then I'm going to try and do, hopefully, I'm trying my hand at some sourdough starter, and I'm unbleached bread flour and some unbleached all-purpose flour, and I'm going to try my hand at it. I don't know if I'm going to do that on my channel or not, unless you want me to, share that with you. I just, like I said, it's just something I've been wanting to do, and just finally got around to, wanting to do it. So if you want to see that on my channel, just let me know down below, and I'll try to share it with you if I can. But I'm trying to do some sourdough starter, and then some 7-Up Zero Sugar. I have 2 12-packs of those. Some bananas. I was hoping for a little bit more, but that's okay. Those will work fine. And then I'm gonna make some biscuits on my channel, some 7-Up biscuits. So I got just a regular 7-Up for that. Some sugar-free poppy seed dressing. This is the G. Hughes's, and I love his products, and this one I really like. I also got some Kinder's Steakhouse potato seasoning. I love their brand and seasonings. Some Hunt's tomato paste. Some old El Paso chopped green chilies. And then this is the Eagle brand pet evaporated milk. Cream of chicken, soup, some community coffee. That's the 24 pods in there. Also some chips for some snacks. These are really, really good. This is the Sun Chips, the honey barbecue. Really do like those. And then we went to my daughter's house not too long ago, and she had these, and these are really good. So I've been on a Bugles Hidden Valley Ranch kick lately. So those are really good. And then Zapp's potato chips. These are the New Orleans kettle style Bayou Blackened Ranch. Haven't tried those yet, so those should be interesting. And Oreos, the mega stuffed ones. I love those. The Great Value sugar-free syrup. Also the sweet and salty. This is the peanut one, granola bar, and then the sweet and salty dark chocolate peanut and almond. Some paper towels. I did get some toilet paper. Got 2 of those, one for one bathroom, one for another. I love this Dawn Power Wash. If you've not used this before, it's really good on a lot of, if you get burnt on messes or anything like that, this works really great. So it's the apple scent, which smells really nice, and this is good to get even stains off your hands. If I use dye or anything for baking, if I'm, coloring, icing or something, and you get it on your hands, this is great to get that off. Or like for Easter, if you dye eggs and stuff, that works great just to kind of get it off your hands. And then Dawn Platinum, this is the lemon scent. And then I also picked up some Downy Rinse and Refresh. I was out, so I needed that. And I also picked up the Zevo Max Flying Insect Trap. We have the other one that you just kind of plug into the wall, like a nightlight kind of thing. But this one is one you can sit like on a table or, you know, that type of thing. So I wanted to try this one and see it, you know, put it in a different spot in my house, because sometimes we get the little gnats and things, or the, you know, the fruit flies. You know, if we have, like I said, the bananas and things like that, sometimes draws them in. But even just from outside, they can, you know, little flies come in. But try that and see if that works well, which I think it will, because the other one we have works well. My grandson's going to be coming over to sleep for a couple of days, and we did his room, you know, after they moved out and everything. I wanted to keep that room, you know, for him and his brother. So we kind of did it in a construction theme, because that's what he likes right now. He likes monster trucks, cars, all that kind of stuff. So for here, I just said, well, I'll do the construction type theme. And they actually had this little nightlight at Walmart. So this works perfectly, and I'll put that in his room. Some Ollie the Beauty. This has the biotin, keratin, vitamin C and E in it. So I was out of that. And probiotic and prebiotic. So love this one as well. So Ollie brands are really good. If you never tried them, you should, you know, give those a try. Some headache relief. This is what we always, you know, get. It's like the generic Excedrin. So that works great on my migraines when I have them. That caffeine helps, you know, ease it off some. And unfortunately, our washing machine, after 25 years, finally gave out. So it had a good run. You know, like I said, 25 years is pretty good. But the washer that we're getting doesn't have like the agitator and everything in it. So it doesn't have that, you know, fabric softener area, you know, to put your fabric softener in. So they said to get this little Downy ball to do that. Or you can put your, you know, fabric softener in when it comes to that point. But I don't do, I'll forget to do that. So I just thought this is good to have. So hopefully this will work. I've never had to use one of these before, but we'll see if that works well for that. And my other grandson, my younger grandson, who is almost 11 months, I believe, this month, is going to be here as well. So I got this little toy for him. They have toys and things here, but I'm, you know, one of those Grams that likes to to buy little things for him. So I think he'll enjoy playing with this one. And like I said, for the sourdough, I picked up these flour sack. It says tea towels to use, I think, sometimes, but I just picked these up. I thought this will be fine, and I can use that for other things too. Some salad. I love the classic romaine salad. Some steamables with the mixed vegetables. And this one we really like. This is the chicken stir fry, the voila. This is how you pronounce it. Anyway, this is a nice value size one. I think it is 60 ounces. So this, you know, goes a little far, and that's what we have the, you know, the egg rolls for as well. But this, we really do like this one. It's a value size, and, you know, we like it. Some ground beef. This is a 3-pound ground beef. And I finally found my tomato, garlic, and basil. They don't always have this one, and this was one of my favorites when they first came out with it. So finally got that one to do some chicken. Garlic bread, which is really good. So this is their, you know, Walmart brand, and we like that one too. And I also have these little mini chocolate and vanilla cupcakes for my older grandson when he comes to visit, because they're small. They're not anything, you know, huge, and he can have that little treat. Love when he comes to Grams and Granddad's house, he'll always have some kind of little treat for him. So these will also get sent home with them, because the date is really good, and I don't want these here for me to eat, so I'll send it home for them, and they can enjoy those. And that's going to be it for this Walmart grocery haul pickup. And if you're new to my channel, I do share grocery hauls occasionally, and also I'm primarily a cooking channel, so I do share lots of different recipes with you that I find, and I only share the ones that we really enjoy, so you'll always find a good, delicious recipe on this channel. But I also share, occasionally I do some collaborations with some YouTube friends of mine. So you'll find those collabs on here as well, usually cooking type channels or grocery hauls. But I would love to have you become a part of my YouTube family if you enjoy that type of content. And I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you who like, comment, and share my videos. Y'all are awesome. I hope everyone has a blessed day and a great week. God bless y'all.